shit. So look what finally came in. I'm gonna put the light on it real quick. Made to play turbocharger from Cxracing. Oof. The lighting is bad here, but I'm gonna do an unboxing real quick. So let me go get a knife so I can open this. There you go. I got the scissors. Let's cut this bad boy. Come on, baby. Damn, bro. Mad tape. God damn. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand, so this side. This side now. There you go. Should open now. Ooh, baby. Sorry for the lighting. It's pretty trash, so bear with me. Ooh, what do I see already? Oh, it comes with the V-band. Nice. There you go. Comes with the gasket, the oil fittings. Yeah, all the oil fittings and the nuts and bolts, the hardware. Nice. God damn it. Oh, I can't do this with one arm. Fucking bitch. There we go. Ooh, let me drop that right there. Nice. Let me cut the zip tie real quick. Oh shit, I almost stabbed myself. There you go. Took it off. God damn, bitch. It's heavy as a motherfucker. Let's see how this looks. Ready? It's a pretty big boy. Not the biggest, but you know. Ooh, let's see the hot side real quick. Oh shit. So this bad boy is a GT35. Alright? More specifically, it's a GT3582R. Boom. It's a ball bearing, not a dual ball bearing. I was gonna get a dual ball bearing, but this one, they stated like on the details of the turbo that, not the details, the description of the turbo, that this spools up faster than the dual ball bearing. I don't know if that's true. I don't know much about turbos, but this one is just oil cooled. I was looking at the other one that I was gonna buy that was oil cooled and water cooled, but decided to get this one because it's a little bit cheaper. Not by much, but yeah. This is capable of 400 to 600 horsepower, it says. Also, it can hold up to from 8 pounds to 30 pounds of PSI. It has a ceramic ball bearing on the compressor side only. Therefore, it's only a ball bearing, not a dual ball bearing. Yeah, I'll leave the link in the description below if you guys want to cop this one. I paid about $5 and change, and it came with this. You could get it cheaper, because if you get it for, I think it's just 500, it won't come with this though. With these two pieces, the flange and the V-band clamp, but it's gonna come with this regardless. All the fittings and the gasket. If you guys want to know specifically all the details, I'll leave the link to this turbo in the description below, so you guys can look at everything. I'm gonna go to my friend's house and mount this bad boy so we can try to put all the intercooler piping and stuff together. Yes sir, so I'm gonna be over there in a little.
There's a box in a box.
A box in a box, Poppy. I already opened it before, but look at that.
The hardware. Yo, copper shit. Yo.
Yes, sir, Poppy.
Money.
Bling bling. And I'll take out the big boy so we go see how it fits.
A pretty big fucking snail.
Yeah? You're fucking dirty.
Smells like a snail.
It looks exactly like the one that Andy got. The same size. His is a GT35, right?
Yeah.
It feels the same, like I told you.
I don't know what that is.
Are you sure?
Nigga, pop Andy's hood.
Man, too much work. Fuck that.
Just for the video.
Throw that on there just so I can see how it looks. So you have to
At
clock.
least it comes fucking thick.
What? At least it comes with that, like stuff like that.
Comes plugged out too.
I'll give you some that's plugged out. Ooh. Oof, I think that's a little too big for this girl.
I'll just take this hose out.
Want your sign stand first?
We'll be back.
Oh, we'll be back. You put the studs on.
Can't tie it. Did it by hand. Nothing
It's
crazy.
just so we could
Fit
test fit it. I mean, you can put it right now if you want. You put it on like that, but the cold side has to go down. Ooh. How much horsepower, Kevin?
We have a problem.
No me diga que that's not like a T4. Cause I'll kill someone right now.
What fucking size is this shit? David.
It has to fit, bro. There's no way in hell. Maybe the holes have to get a little bit bigger. It's right there though. It's perfectly aligned.
No, it ain't.
Let me see this side. Oh my god, man.
Look at these headers. These headers said T4.
They don't have no T5, do they?
I never heard of it. Nigga, I don't think these headers said T4.
Always something with his goddamn car, man. I mean, we could do the getaway.
You know what, drill it out.
But I don't want to. It's pretty expensive. Well, not expensive, the turtles. It's more than what I... My goodness, man. Always something. Hey, but it looks good right there, man.
The fire thing I see, right?
Yeah, bullshit. I got myself a big Peppa Pig right there, man. I'm gonna record when we figure this out, so. Welcome back, guys. Anyways, where were we? So, watch out, this is gonna stink over there. Oh my god, holy. Smells like eggs. Anyway, I told you, bro, watch out.
Nigga, I think I be drooling.
That's how delicious it is.
Yeah, alright.
So we figured out that this eBay Manifold or wherever the hell it's from, the holes that they made, they're a little bit too wide for the turbo. So the only thing we can do is either buy a new manifold, which this goes for like almost 300 on eBay. So I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna try to get someone to weld all these holes in completely, all four of them, and then we're gonna we're gonna make our own holes to make it fit with the actual turbo. So yeah, that's our best bet unless we want to spend more money, and I don't want to do that. So now you guys know, don't buy no eBay headers. Well, not eBay headers, weird eBay headers. Did we even show them? Hold up. We didn't even show them how far off it is. Give me the freaking flange right there. Put it, whatever, the freaking gasket, flange, suck a nut. So look, these align right here perfectly, but look at those. Horrible. It's supposed to be like this. I mean, we could do something else.
What?
We could drill that shit a little bit open and that's it. To be honest, the flange right there, drill a little bit open, huh?
That's you. That's your call. Whatever you want to drill open.
Let me call some people and then I'll let you know. So all we gotta do is just bezel out or hone down the freaking those those holes so it can match the turbo that much. You see it? Yeah, so hone it down that much. Just get the Sharpie and that's it.
Yeah, it's pretty goddamn perfect.
Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, take off the gasket so you can see how it looks. Look at that. Looks OEM, right guys? Yikes. It's better than buying. I mean, worst thing that can happen is I need a new headers. And that's it, right Kevin?
Pretty much.
And buy new ones. But for now, that bad boy should suffice. So, wash the base, freshly painted.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Cold side goes to the other side. Wow, you did 360 by now. See how that bad boy looks. No me diga, no me diga. Alright. Yo, look at that bad boy just peeking out. We're gonna leave it just like that so we can put the intercooler pipe in from the front like that. Right, Kev? That's a pretty big boy in there. I'm just gonna be doing a lot of little clips because this shit's about to die, so. We're gonna try to clock that so we can put it facing down and do the piping. So Jess. He's clocking the Turbski right now. Yeah, that shit looking cute. Clock it the other way. Oh, we already put the down pipe too with the V-band. That's how it looks. Go straight down. The piping, we'll do it in another video, but for now it's just test fitting the turbo and shit. Look at that bad boy. Sheesh. I can't see with your goddamn hand in the way. Beautiful. Oh, we need the other coolant hose because it's hitting the turbo. So, yeah, we have to get that too. But look at that bad boy. I think we have to move this too because it's gonna hit, or we could just push it by yeah. We could push it like that over so it can go in. Yo, looking cute. Spin it real quick for me. Who needs a Gretty when you got Cxracing? The Peppa Pig is looking good in this bag.
Peppa Pig?
Peppa Pig is looking good. I can mira. So this Peppa Pig right here is a GT35R, alright? It's a V-band clamp on the hot side, as you can see. It has a ball bearing on the cold side. And supposed to be, I think it's like ceramic some shit. The freaking, the...
Stage 3 ceramic.
It's ceramic, the little blades inside, I forgot what it's called, but it's oil cooled. It could hold from 8 to 30 psi, and it could hit 400 to 600 horsepower. I'll leave the link in the description so you guys can see the whole thing and read it. Yes, beautiful.
But mention
what?
If you're not mechanically inclined or can make something work out of nothing, I wouldn't recommend buying knockoff brand headers.
Yes.
We had to modify this so it could fit perfectly.
It would have been better if it was just, you know, plug and play, bolt on, but it happens when you buy eBay stuff, so yeah.
No, it's only, it's something we didn't know because we got it from someone else as a steal. So.
Yeah, we got the headers from someone else. We didn't buy it directly from eBay. The dude bought it from eBay. He sells a T4, and it's just they messed up the flange on the header, so he ended up making the holes longer. You can say, what was it called again? Honed it out, whatever the hell, and it fits.
It should be in the video, right?
Yeah, and it fits. Only thing that we need is another hose that goes from there to over here. We need one that just goes underneath, like where's this at? Like this one, something like that. Because this is the one for this one, for the bottom one, down there. And this one goes, where is it? It goes like this, and it goes down underneath it. So we have to find something similar to this so it could follow it. But so far, the turbo's mounted. Beautiful. The next video is gonna be us unboxing the piping right here. and installing the piping. We have to cut and like clamp them all together to make it route differently. I don't know how we're gonna route it, but we're gonna find out. It should be kind of simple. Just route it around through there, or maybe through this hole. Who knows? But for this video, the turbo is basically installed. So the video's done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, deuces.
Run this shit, I'm lapping on, yeah, even on a snow day. Where I'm from, the block get high, yeah, even on a snow day. King of the hill, I'm so hang, so you know I got that propane.